Wow. Wow! Let's do this, guys. First, we need a burger, a flour, an egg, and the breadcrumbs, and a cheese. Wow! Let's get started. First, we need a burger. We put more cheese. First, we will put in the flour. Next, in the egg. Now let's put in the breadcrumbs. Now let's fry it. Wow. Wow! Oh, it's so cool, guys. It's gonna be good. It looks yummy, guys. Wow, guys, it looks good. Let's take it off. Wow. So good. Look, guys, it's done. It's so yummy. Let's wait it to be cool. Let's cut it, guys. Wow! Wow. Let's take a bite. Good, guys. You must try it, guys. It's so good.
What's that?
Daddy, I made a burger. You must try it.
Yeah, sure. Can I try? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Wow, looks like delicious, eh? Wow. Oh yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Yummy is so good.